everyone, today I will provide a comprehensive strategic analysis of JP Morgan Chase & Co., an institution that not only dominates global finance but actively shapes it. Over the next 7 minutes, I will guide you through 4 case areas. The first, understanding what makes this financial giant tick. The second, examining its financial health and comparative and battlefield. Third, analyzing the critical external pressure of regulation and social responsibility. And finally, offering a strategic recommendation for its future. Let's begin. JP Morgan Chase is the product of the strategic consolidation. Most notable, the landmark merger is the year 2000 that combined the elite investment heritage of the JP Morgan with the vast retail network of the Chase Manhattan. Today, it stands as the largest bank in the United States by asset and the true global systemically important financial institution. Its genius lies in a balanced four-pillar business model that serves as natural head. Consumer and community banking is a foundation, serving over 60 million American households and providing a massive, stable base of the low-cost deposit. The corporate and investment bank is a crown jewel and consistently ranking number 1 globally in investment banking fees, advising on the world's largest merger and acquisition. Commercial banking nurtures mid-sized companies, a vital growth engine for the economy, while asset and wealth management oversees trillions of dollars of the world's most discerning client and the institution. The integrated ecosystem means JP Morgan isn't just in the financial system, it's a critical piece of the infrastructure, facilitating economic activity at every level in over 100 countries. Let's delve into the financial engine and competitive landscape. Financially, JP Morgan is a fortress. Its primary foe is a staggering $2.6 trillion in customer deposit in a cheap and stable funding source that is the envy of non-bank competitors. This allows it to profit from the spread between what is the yields on the loans and pay on deposit, generating robust net interest income, but its strength is a broader. Key profitable metric is the tell story. It's a return on the time below common equity or ROTCE has a consistently been around 17 to 20%, a clear indicator of the superior capital efficiency. It generates over $50 billion in operating cash flow annually. With its credit heavily over $15 billion a year goes into technology. Yet, no analysis of the JP Morgan is complete without understanding the powerful external force that constrain and guide. It's a destination at the global systemically important bank, GSIB, place is under microscope. Regulators like the Federal Reserve subject into annual stress tests, mandate high capital buffers is common equity tier 1 ratio in robust 13.5% and record living wills. These rules born from the financial crisis cost $1 billion in compliments, but have also forget a more resist institution on the taxation as a global entity in the navigates a complex web, while its effective tax rate has been around 19%. Strategic planning is crucial to managing this significant expense. Solution: JP Morgan Chase in a closest, profitable, diversified, and resilient It has mastered the traditional rules of the banking. However, its grades of vulnerability stem from its very strange. Its size invariably breeds bureaucratic inertia, making it potentially slow to respond to disruptive niche competitor. While innovative startups path, the rise is not being overthrown overnight, but being gradually eroded at the edge. Its payment as a personal finance technology is blocking chain-based service. 3. My strategic recommendation to proactively build an internal ecosystem for a disruptive innovation. A venture studio model. JP Morgan should allocate designated capital a fraction of the annual tax budget to create semi-autonomous ring-fenced innovation labs. These would operate like internal venture capital funds and startup combined. Its lab would focus on high potential, high disruption frontier, one that decentralized. Thank you for the attention. This analysis drawing on annual reports, regulatory flags, and company disclosures. So, a leading institution at a crossroad by strategically fomenting internal entrepreneurship. JP Morgan can ensure its legacy of the leadership continue into the future. I am now ready for you.